Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Are you hearing a grinding noise when starting your Ford F-150? Don't panic just yet. In this video, we'll explore some common reasons behind this issue. Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. Point 1. Normal operation. If your F-150 has a Triton motor, it's not uncommon to hear a brief grinding noise during startup. This is due to timing chain tensioners relying on oil pressure. Point 2. Malfunctioning lash adjuster/VCT solenoid. A faulty lash adjuster can cause poor valve clearance due to wear or oil flow issues. Similarly, a damaged VCT solenoid, often caused by oil or electrical problems, can disrupt camshaft timing adjustments during startup. Point 3. Bad starter. An old, worn starter might struggle to engage properly, resulting in that unpleasant noise. Additionally, corroded cables can add resistance and interfere with the starter's voltage. Point 4. Wrong oil filter. The oil filter plays a crucial role in maintaining proper oil flow and pressure. An improper or subpar filter can restrict oil flow, leading to a momentary lack of lubrication during startup, which increases friction and wear on engine parts. Point 5. Broken flywheel teeth. Over time, the teeth on the flex plate or starter can wear or break, causing a skip or grind when the starter engages. This wear disrupts their smooth connection, resulting in audible noise. Point 6. EcoBoost cam phasers/timing chain issue. Wear and tear on the timing chain components can cause the camshafts and crankshafts to fall out of sync. As a result, the cam phasers, responsible for adjusting camshaft timing, may struggle to work smoothly, leading to that familiar grinding noise. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.